Hold it right there in his face.
Fine.
This is really fun. See, this is fun. You get to tell. Ready? Now just stand up. On your own. Very good.
On his face.
Good. Okay, now sit down again. Okay, ready? Can you show his lower torso? Ready? Stand up. 1, 2, 3, stand. Okay.
I'm going up and down him.
How long has it been since you've been able to do that?
Oh,
Well,
Okay, sit down. Okay, you ready? Is your leg locking or are you fine?
that's right.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, now stand up. Excellent. Take, with your one leg, any leg you want, take a step towards me, sir. That's all right. You got it. Go ahead. Lift your leg. Good. Good. Lift the other one. You're doing it. Good. Take another step towards me, sir. You can do it. Excellent. Okay, I've got it. Go ahead. Lift. Lift your leg. Good. Lift again. Go
Where are we
ahead.
going?
Anywhere you want.
towards your chair.
towards the chair. Can you do it? Go ahead. I've got you. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay. You did it. Press the button. This one.